Hey, welcome to this Windows channel. And yeah, unusual. Whoops, I'll remove my thumb from the camera. And yeah, I'm a very unusual place here. It's the Congress Center here in Montreal, where I'm attending a little presentation. So just wanted to talk about a little bit of security, because one of the things that we see a lot lately is the fact that a lot of people are still, using antivirus software and thinking that is a protection, which is not the case. And actually, there was an interesting lecture today about security, where we kind of learned what I always been saying, is that your behavior online is what dictates your security. So, some of the general tips for that, very simple. Make sure you don't click attachments that are of unknown origin. And, if you do send an email to someone with an attachment, PowerPoint presentation or something, take the time to let them know that there's something in attachment so that they actually know what it is. If everybody would actually identify that there's something in the attachment, we would already be safer than we are right now. Also, one of the things that is the probably number one of the very popular scams via email is the fact that you get a fake email from like UPS or the U.S. Postal Service, or if you're in the UK, you'll get some kind of postal service of the Royal Postal Service there, and it's going to say you got a package. Click on the attachment for an invoice. Once again, that's another very, very popular scam that happens. If you use Facebook, one of the scams that happens regularly lately, it's someone taking, your profile picture on Facebook is not private. It can be easily found. And often what people will do is take the profile picture. And that profile picture, they'll, of course, see your name next to it. And they'll create a fake Facebook account with your profile pic and your name. And basically will send, because, you're not the friend of that person, what will happen sometimes is that you won't necessarily know that the problem is that it's not your friend. But you can't get a friend request. So they use a very simple thing, which is Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger, that's a huge problem, because anybody can contact you through Facebook Messenger. So they'll try to say that, hey, it's your best friend, and I need cash because I'm, in another country or whatever, and they'll try to lure you, or maybe have you, click this link about this super cool thing. So these are all little things that you gotta keep in mind, that, if you want to stay safe, be careful with that. Facebook is a known way of, getting people scammed or phishing. Scam of all sorts. And of course, don't download things from, illegal websites or websites that are kind of weird. That's always cause for trouble over time. So these are the little general tips, and I'll probably have a few videos from different point of views in different places, so that you guys will enjoy a special day of videos where you'll see different areas like this, which is the Congress Center in Montreal. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.